Do you feel worried about your learning process on graphic design, or do you feel worried about your skill on graphic design? Then this course is only for you. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is your folks MD Mehdi Hassan Abir, and I am industry recognized Adobe certified professional. Inshallah, from 23rd November Tuesday, we will start our new session, that is become an Adobe certified professional on graphic design master course. And this session will be taken our instructor MD Jihad sir, who already recognized as an Adobe certified professional visual designer. So I really congratulate all the people those already enrolled this session. So best of luck for the upcoming 4 months where we learn about the industrial things of graphic design, that is photo editing, clipping path, print on demand and corporate branding. And I always say that this is not a course, this is an experience. Whatever the experience our instructor got in this last 3 or 4 years, we want to share our knowledge with you and we want to share our experience with you. So let's do it and prove it. And I always say that let's learn together, work together. Thank you.